Hi Deepika, how are you? You know, you're such a youth icon. People look up to you, especially the young girls. They think you have such a wonderful, amazing, perfect life. हर एक लड़की दीपिका पडुकोन जैसी सक्सेसफुल मॉडल और बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है. Women of substance. Yes. बट आई एम लिटिल कंफ्यूज दीपिका. मतलब तुम एक ऐड करी थी वो कोक का, ओपन द कैन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. या लाइक यू वो लाइक एक्चुअली इनटू promoting this soft drink, carbonated soft drink with high sugar levels, which has harmful health benefits like type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. I'm just wondering. And who can forget your weight loss ad of Kellogg's.com where you're showing your midriff and saying you're just having milk and that cornflakes early morning. K something K special. Yeah. Matlab, how conflicting this thing. I'm a little confused. Can you just explain to me? Matlab, how can one person in the same breath, in the same frame, can promote soft drink also? You people are like sales. So, and next moment, like selling weight loss. And by the way, Coke, by drinking your Coke, people can become fat, morbidly obese because there's so much of sugar, increase in insulation. Yeah. And having your stupid Kellogg's, that is also full of, there's hardly any nutrients in it except for milk, and that stupid granules is coated with sugar. या उसमें फ्रूट्स डालने पड़ते हैं, शुगर डालना पड़ता है. And the kind of midriff to achieve that, it is number one, it's quite genetic because you are tall. Secondly, there's a lot of exercise, rigorous exercises which you're doing with your personal trainer. And of course there might be some sort of a rib removal surgery, who knows, just to maintain that because normal females have a pear-shaped body and their body is a little bit bloated near the stomach. So you are actually promoting very high levels of beauty standards. People find you beautiful. In fact, I've absolutely forgotten the definition of the true beauty. Looking at your face, you're so plain and dull. But yeah, तुम्हारी ज़बान कट पट पट कट कर चलती है. Then you become the women of substance. Then you get all sorts of awards. महंगी महंगी पिक्चरें बनाती हो तुम. वो big budget ones, acting with all the top guys, demanding a high price. Because पीकू जैसी थर्ड क्लास पिक्चर में तुझे you grossed some few crores. So that's why. Anyway. And plus you had this ad with your ex. इतना सारा drama था about the breakup with that Ranbir Kapoor, and then you're with Ranveer Singh getting married to him, and having an ad with the Ranbir Kapoor having a movie with him. Oh, we're just friends with the ex. Oh, he's so cute. I have a tattoo at the back. No, I've cancelled it. So you're giving such conflicting images to women, to us women. They all look up to you. Oh my god, she can be friends with her ex. Isn't that cute? And still maintain such friendly working relationship. It's so normal to do that. Deepika, you're a bitch. An ugly looking bitch. Now people say, Shanti, you're a hater. Yes, absolutely. You're just there because of nepotism. मैं मेहनत करके ऊपर आई. क्या मेहनत किया तूने? बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस कौन सी मेहनत करती है बिसाइड बिस्तर गरम करने के? यस, ऑफ कोर्स यस.